Push the grind button for a few seconds to remove all the residual coffee. Turn off the machine and disconnect the cable from the power source. Take off the hopper by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the upper body by unscrewing the two rear screws. Remove the setting screws of the upper burr holder. Remove the burrs from the lower and upper burr holders. Block the rotation of the lower burrs. It is very important to completely eliminate any residual coffee to ensure correct fitting. Change the burrs. Replace both burr holders. Assemble the upper body. Replace the hopper, turning it clockwise. It is likely that you will have to recalibrate the grinding point.